Hello everyone, this is my international game newsletter. I chose the game Juguemos en el Bosque, or Let's Play in the Woods. It is said to be played throughout the Americas. There are some variations in the name. El Lobo, which is a wolf. Juguemos en el Bosque, which is playing in the woods. There's also some variations in the wording of the game, or of the song, but very slightly. And this game is said to be to been developed over time through oral tradition, and there is no definite date on when it was created. For more information, I provided a link below. And for the variations of the song, there's also a link here. For the game instructions and game instructions with a video example, I have provided links to. And the rules of the game are to stay in circular formation during the song, don't bump into others, and when you're caught, you're the wolf. There are lyrics to the game song in English and in Spanish at this site right here. And this game is very similar to tag. It's a playground game. And here's an image of the students getting ready to play the game. Okay, so how to play it. So first you form a circle and join hands. One person is going to be off to the side. This person is a wolf. Usually, depending on how maybe the age of the students, if they will skip or walk while holding hands in a circular formation. They will be singing the song, and at the end of the song, they're going to ask, "Wolf, are you here?" So the wolf will usually respond with an action like I'm putting on my shirt, and then the kids will continue to walk in the circle and singing the song again. The wolf will repeat the whole song will be repeated until the wolf says, "I am here to eat you up." That is when everybody starts to run, and that's where the similarity with tag is. So once everyone runs, the person that is a wolf will try to catch someone, and then once that person gets caught, then they are the wolf and the game starts all over again. So here's the website where I found the game, and you can click on it for the link. Pronunciation of the game, and I also found this this cool site. If you click here, it's a Spanish teacher who uses this game to teach her students. In my experience, I played this game, and well, I played this game when I was young. I learned it from my family. My mother learned this when she was young, so it was played in my family. All of us, all the ages, cousins, we all played this together. So it's been a very fun. It was a very fun game and has left a lot of great memories. So I think it's a great game to play in a school or outside of school. Overall, I think it's an overall great game. A little bit different from the traditional tag game. And here are my references, and that's it.